National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota, southeastern McLean County in south-central North Dakota, north-central Burley County in south-central North Dakota, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles south of Mercer, or 35 miles north of Mandan, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mercer around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Johns Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado warning remains.